Christmas Eve and I need to pick some veggies. Let's go do it. Right, that's all the veggies done for tomorrow's dinner. Yeah, bit of a last minute rush, but hey ho, that's me all over. So I'm good at planning things, but then it all tends to get a pop. So yeah, next year, got to look forward. So cannot wait to get started. And yeah, here's to 2026. So I would just sincerely like to thank everybody that has subscribed to my very small, currently, she says, channel. It does mean the world to me. Never imagined I would be doing this. So it's helping with a lot of things. But yeah, I'm absolutely loving it. So I would love you to follow me along, see what I do, the good, the bad, the stupid, a lot of the stupid times. But yeah, so if you do, hit the subscribe button and ring the little bell. But yeah, mainly give me a thumbs up and leave a comment, good, bad, indifferent, whatever. I'm always open to constructive criticism. So yeah, so all there is to say is nothing stronger because I don't drink. So yeah, cheers, and hope you all have a wonderful Christmas and a very happy, healthy, hopefully super productive 2026. So take care. See you soon.